At kuber.club, we are writing the new rules of investing. And here are 5 reasons why we will make it happen for you. Number 1. Rewarding returns. With kuber.club's plans, you can earn up to 14% per annum IRR. And it has a proven track record. Plus, our K coins have got your back. You can redeem them at top brands like Make My Trip, Amazon, Flipkart and many more. So, you always stay secured. Reason number 2. Safety assured. Choose kuber.club with confidence because we are an RBI regulated NBFC P2P. You can start investing with as little as 100 rupees per day. And your funds, they are in good hands. We only use SEBI and RBI compliant third-party escrow accounts. Number 3. Liquidity and expertise. You can enjoy daily fixed return, your wish, our command. With a leadership team with over 100 plus years of expertise in digital finance and risk management, overseeing wealth exceeding 1 lakh crores, your money is in safe hands. Number 4. Flexibility in investment. Tailor your approach with lump sum or our systematic lending plan option. Most important. Number 5. Transparency and control. At kuber.club, you have complete control. You can access loan agreements and borrower details effortlessly. Now this is why you should sing.